Hey guys, this is Shorish and welcome to our channel. So today I have with myself Inno3D Gtx 1080 Ti, and as you know, I'll be unboxing this. But before I get further with the unboxing, I would like to talk a few things about this card. So this card, as you know, is the latest addition to the flagship 10 series that NVIDIA has, and is probably the most fastest graphic card that is out there. And it has a 3584 NVIDIA CUDA cores and has a frame buffer of 11 GB, which makes it 35% faster than its predecessor, which is 1080. So let's start with the unboxing. Whoa, the packaging looks amazing. They have this whole cardboard cut out for this. This really looks premium. Anywho, okay, how should I get this out? It's done. Whoa, this card is very heavy. The card here. Oh, complimentary mousepad, I guess. That's a nice touch. I'm not sure about the quality of the mousepad, but I love free stuff, so who cares? Anyway, I'm gonna keep it aside for now. I cannot show you this to you guys because confidential, but we have the installation kit here and the power supply guideline. Keep this here. Okay, now the card. Oh, it looks glorious. I'm a bit nervous right now because it's a very expensive card that I'm handling, but whoa, let me get to the packaging. Okay. Oh, they also have attention where it says that this product is not designed for crypto mining. That's a nice touch. It's definitely a nice touch. Okay, I'm gonna open this sticker slowly. And it's out. This card is pretty impressive, I guess so. Okay. I guess this has premium aluminum body, and the designs are pretty slick. Let's get to the back plate. Oh, nice. So they also have this small vents in case the airflow gets stuck. The PCB seems nice. NVIDIA, and the best part about this card is probably its cooling system, and they don't look that impressive, but I would say, obviously 3D cards are usually they go for the coolers, but yeah, well. But apart from that, this card is really heavy. It's heavy for it doesn't look that heavy, but it's quite heavy. And the IO port, it's black, which kind of blends with any cases or any case you would like to fit inside, and it blends really well. So we have like 2 HDMI ports and 1 DVI port and 2 cooling fans, and that's pretty much it, I guess. And they have a heatsink for the VRAM area. Oh, that's good. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked our video. So do like and subscribe, And if you have any queries, then you can follow us at our Facebook page and message our page. And if you are interested in buying this card, our e-commerce site link is in the description down below. And have a nice day. Thank you.